Okay, checkpoint 3.4, write the if statement that assign 1 to x if y is greater than 0. Let's start with main methods. Okay, if you look at the checkpoints, it's considered is a process. Okay, so let's say input process output. So if you look at process here, okay, if y greater than 0, then okay, we are going to assign 1 to x. Okay, assign 1 to x. Okay, now you have to make sure that x and y is available. Let's say those are integer values. So integer x, default value 0, integer y, default value is also 0. So we are assigning number 1 to x. So we assume we are interested in x. So x equal to x. Okay. So the question actually asks for that one, but if you want to make it as a complete program, you may have inputs and then one output. So let's try to test it. Okay, y is happen to be 10. So 10 is greater than 0. So we assign number 1. So x become 1. So x equal to 1. Let's say y is minus 10. Minus 10 is greater than 0. No, so cannot be inside. So we are here. So basically, if we print it, that will be default value 0. Here you go, 0. That's all. Thank you.